What's up guys, it's Anthony, and in today's video we're going to be doing some taillight upgrades to the Ford Ranger. We got the Ford Ranger right here, taillights. So let's go ahead and show you the new taillights. So this is the new set of taillights, just like some smoked dark ones without any amber in them. So I think it's going to look pretty good. So let's go ahead and get to taking the old ones off. It's just 2 bolts or 2 screws and then 2 more screws on this side. What you gonna do? What you gonna do? What you gonna do? What you gonna do? This is just for us now.
Never ever find the right words, and there's no way this is real life. There's no telling you're the right girl, so I can only say that it feels right. It feels right. It feels right. Yeah, I can only say that it feels right. It feels right. It feels right. Yeah, I can only say that it feels right.
So there's the old one, and the lights and stuff, and probably should clean this out a little bit because there's a bunch of mud up in here. So yeah, I think I'm gonna go ahead and wipe that out. Alright, so I got it wiped down a little bit, but just wanted to kind of keep any rust from developing. But let's go ahead and put the lights and everything in the new one.
Wanna holler, oh no, I don't call him back, girl, let me see you hold it down, we gon' have a blast. Cause I just wanna know what you gonna do with all of that. Ain't gotta say a word, I know what's up, you can have it all, watch me rip it off. I'll admit it, you got me feeling hella love. Even when it's going down, know that we gon' live it up. Young shot caller, always been a baller, know that you the one, I can feel it in my heart, yeah. I won't stop charging me, go and come harder. I can see you and I, way beyond the stars, girl. I can never ever find the right words, and there's no way this is real life. There's no telling you're the right girl, so I can only say that it feels right. It feels right. It feels right. It feels right.
Man, that looks so much better compared to this one. This one's all scratched up too. Alright, let's go ahead and get the second one on. That's a before and after. I think it makes the truck look really good.
Yep.
Did everything come on?
Yep.
Alrighty, so both taillights are in. I think it makes the color look a lot better. And on camera, this color looks really, really cool. But in person, don't really like it too much. But there's both of them. I finally got rid of my hideous scrape from smacking the garage right here. And I think it looks pretty good. First, like, cosmetic thing, I guess, to the truck besides the leveling kit, which I've had on for almost a year and haven't fixed the camber, so it looks horrible. And yeah, we do have headlights and marker lights and that's going to be in the next video.
You stole my heart of gold after my silver soul. Can you